For thy sake are we killed all the day long. We are counted as sheep for the slaughter. Yea, for thy sake are we killed all the day long. We are counted as sheep for the slaughter. Awake, why sleepest thou, O Lord? Arise, cast us not off forever. Awake, why sleepest thou, O Lord? Arise, cast us not off forever. Come and let us return unto the Lord, for he hath done, and he will heal us. He hath smitten, and he will bind us up. Come and let us return unto the Lord. After 2 days he will revive us. In the third day he will raise us up, and we shall live in his sight, and we shall live in his sight.